Hey guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel Vlog with You. I am back with a new food vlog. Basically today I was really craving for Chinese cuisine. To be frank, I'm not a big fan of Chinese cuisine, but I have heard about this place a lot. So I'm at this place called the Noodle Theory and I'm gonna be exploring this place along with some of the food. So I will tell you everything what and all I ate and what and all I had and about the place. So keep on watching my vlog. So guys, my first order is here. So the first thing that I had ordered was the normal veg soup. So as you can see here, this is the normal veg soup. So I'm gonna be telling what and all they have in this. So there are only 4 ingredients. One is carrot, then Chinese cabbage, bok choy and spinach. There are only 4 ingredients and this is the normal veg soup. So now I will be tasting this. So guys, it is totally different. Basically when I saw this, I thought it will be very simple because it doesn't have a lot of ingredients, but this soup is really strong. It has this soup taste. I really like this. It's very good. Guys, now I got my main order, that was the noodle. So here they have the different kind of noodles. So basically whenever we want to have any kind of noodle, they give this form. Basically it's kind of form, so we can construct our own wok. I don't know what is wok. Basically I guess it is the noodle. So the first step is to choose a base. So they have a lot of variety of base like fresh noodles, udon noodles, flat noodles, or even you can choose with rice, steamed rice, chili rice, whatever we want. Only one you have to choose. Then the second step is to choose the protein. So if you want tofu, you can choose that, or paneer, or if you don't want protein, no need of that, no need to choose this. Now coming to the third step, it is to choose the 5 veggies, whatever you want to apply. So these are the 5. So basically I have chosen mushroom, capsicum, bamboo shoot, carrot and corn. I don't know a lot about these. I don't like beans or anything, peppers and all, so I didn't just order that thing. Now coming to the fourth step is choose one sauce, any one sauce. So basically they have 3 varieties of sauce. One is the mild one, the medium and the hot, the most hot one. I wanted to taste the hot one, so I just went for the medium and I asked them which one would be good, and they suggested me to have this Japanese red wine, so I am having that one. And the last step is to choose 2 garnish. So I have chose spring onion and fresh coriander. So totally my noodles is finally here. This is the overall noodles. Now I'm gonna taste this. It is basically a lot. A quantity is really a lot. It is good guys, it is really good. This doesn't taste like that normal chow mein kind of noodles, definitely not. This has a really strong kick. I really loved it. It's very good. So guys, I'm finally back home. So let's talk about this place, the Noodle Theory. The Noodle Theory is basically known for its noodles. So even I went to have the noodles itself. So guys, now let's talk about the place. So before going to this place, I have seen its pictures in Google. So when I saw the pictures, I thought it would be a dingy room, but it is definitely not. It has plenty of lights in that, although it has that black aesthetic vibe that is really nice. Don't feel that there's no light in that room or in that place. Definitely it's not like that. There's plenty of lights and you can get really good pictures, so that is a good point of that place. Don't think that it is a dingy place overall. Now coming to the food, so the first thing that I had was the normal veg soup itself. So that soup was really good. So basically when it was served, I really thought that it is just water mixed with some vegetable, but no, when I tasted it, it really had that soup wala kick, if you guys can understand what I mean to say. So it was really good. So they have only less variety of soup. One is like the spicy one, and there is even a variety of sweet ones. So whatever kind you want, you can just order that. They will just let you know, but I just ordered the veg soup. Guys, now coming to the main part, the main food, that was noodles. I really like the way they actually asked us to construct our own noodles. I really loved it. Now coming to this part, noodles. So when there was each and everything that I had chosen, for example the veggies, the whatever I chose, like the corn, and even the protein, that paneer, whatever I had chosen, even the garnish, I chose, I guess it was green onion and coriander. Everything was there in the noodle. There was nothing like koi egg cheese missing it. Definitely not. Everything was there in that noodle, and the quantity of the noodle was really good. According to me, I guess in one bowl 2 people can have it. There's no problem in that. So overall, I love this place. So guys, other than these, they have sushi, dim sums and other things. You can just go and try out this. So overall, I would rate this place 4.2 out of 5. I really enjoyed this place. I even liked this place. The food, everything was good. So definitely would recommend this. Definitely would recommend this place. So that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys like my vlogs. Do write down in the comment section if you guys want me to go to a specific place and then vlog there, vlog of the food or anything. That's it guys. Share this video. Do subscribe to my channel, guys. Do subscribe it, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.